Welcome back, children. This is your Murali Manohar sir from Vishwamanava Sanskritika Mattu Vidya Samsthe Mathematics class for 5th standard. In the previous class, we were learning about subtraction. Today we will continue that. Now units place will become 13. After borrowing 1 10 to units place, 10 place is left with 3 tens. Now subtract units place digits, that is 13 minus 6 equal to 7. Write 7 in units place. Now subtract 10 place digits, they are 3 and 4. 3 is less than 4, so cannot be subtracted from 3. Hence borrow 100 from hundreds place. 100 equals to 10 tens. Tens place can be written as 10 tens plus 3 tens equal to 13 tens. After borrowing 100 to tens place, hundreds place is left with 5 hundreds. Now subtract 10 place digits, they are 13 minus 4 equals to 9. Write 9 in tens place. Now subtract hundreds place digits, they are 5 and 9. 5 is less than 9. 9 cannot be subtracted from 5. Hence borrow 1000 from 1000 place. 1000 equals to 10 hundreds. Hundreds place can be written as 10 hundreds plus 5 hundreds equals to 15 hundreds. After borrowing 1000 to hundreds place, thousands place is left with 0 thousands. Now subtract hundreds place digits, they are 15 minus 9 equal to 6. So write 6 in hundreds place. Now subtract thousands place digits, they are 0 and 7. 0 is less than 7. 7 cannot be subtracted from 0. Hence borrow 1 10,000 from 10,000s place. 1 10,000 equals to 10,000s. Thousands place can be written as 10,000s plus 0,000s is equals to 10,000s. After borrowing 1 10,000s to be 2,000s place, 10,000s place is left with 8,000s. Now subtract 1000 place digits, they are 10 minus 7 equal to 3. Write 3 in thousands place. Now subtract 10,000s place digits, they are 8 and 3. 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. So we will write 5 in 10,000s place. 3,697 should be added to 37,946 to get 91,643. A farmer yielded 38,462 coconuts from his field last year. This year he yielded 47,285 coconuts. Find how many more coconuts he yielded this year. Coconuts yielded in this year is 47,285. Coconuts yielded in last year is 38,462. Now we should find out the number of more coconuts yielded in this year. Children, write the numbers in the vertical column according to the place of each digits. First we should subtract units place digits. They are 5 and 2. 5 minus 2 is equals to 3. So we will write 3 in units place. Next we should subtract tens place digits. They are 8 and 6. 8 minus 6 equals to 2. So we will write 2 in tens place. Now subtract digits in the hundreds place. They are 2 and 4. 2 is less than 4. 4 cannot be subtracted from 2. Hence borrow 1000 from thousands place to hundreds place. 1000 equals to 10 hundreds. Hundreds place can be written as 10 hundreds plus 2 hundreds equal to 12 hundreds. After borrowing 1000 to 100 place, thousands place is left with 6 thousands. Now subtract hundreds place digits. They are 12 and 4. 12 minus 4 equals to 8. Write 8 in hundreds place. Next subtract 1000 place digits. They are 6 and 8. 6 is less than 8. 8 cannot be subtracted from 6. Hence borrow 1 10,000 from 10,000 place. 1 10,000 equals to 10 thousands. Thousands place can be written as 10,000 plus 6,000 equal to 16 thousands. After borrowing 1 10,000 to 1000 place, 10,000 place left with 3 10,000 place. Now subtract the thousands place digits. They are 16 minus 8 equal to 8. Write 8 in thousands place. Now subtract 10,000 place digits. They are 3 and 3. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Write 0 in 10,000 place. Number of more coconuts yielded in this year is 8,823. Children, now we will solve some problems which have addition and subtraction in it. First we should add 54,398 and 24,897. First we should write the numbers in the vertical column according to place of the digits. First add digits in the units place. They are 8 and 7. 8 plus 7 is equals to 15. Write 5 in units place and carry 1 to tens place. Next we should add digits in the tens place. They are 1, 9, 9. 1 plus 9 plus 9 equals to 19. Write 9 in tens place and carry 1 to the hundredth place. Next we should add digits in the hundreds place. They are 1, 3 and 8. 1 plus 3 plus 8 equals to 12. Write 2 in hundreds place and carry 1 to thousands place. Next we should add digits in the thousands place. They are 1, 4, 4. 1 plus 4 plus 4 equals to 9. Write 9 in thousands place. Next we should add digits in the 10,000s place. They are 5 and 2. 5 plus 2 equal to 7. Write 7 in 10,000 place. Children, the sum which we have got is 79,295. Now we will subtract 39,486 from it. Write the numbers in vertical column according to place of the digits. First subtract units place digits. They are 5 and 6. 5 is less than 6. So 6 cannot be subtracted from 5. Hence borrow 1 10,000 from the tens place. Now we have 15 in units place. After borrowing 1 10 to units place, tens place left with 8 tens. Now subtract units place digits. That is 15 minus 6 equals to 9. Write 9 in units place. Now subtract tens place digits. In the tens place we have 8 and 8. 8 minus 8 equals to 0. Write 0 in tens place. Next we should subtract hundreds place digits. They are 2 and 4. 2 is smaller than 4. So 4 cannot be subtracted from 2. Hence borrow 1000 from thousands place. 1000 equals to 10 hundreds. Hundreds place can be written as 10 hundreds plus 2 hundreds equal to 12 hundreds. After borrowing 1000 from 1000 place to hundreds place, thousands place is left with 8 thousands. Now subtract hundreds place digits. They are 12 minus 4 equal to 8. Write 8 in hundreds place. Now subtract thousands place digits. They are 8 and 9. 8 is smaller than 9. So 9 cannot be subtracted from 8. Hence borrow 1 10,000 from 10,000s place. 1 10,000s equals to 10 thousands. After borrowing 1 10,000 to thousands place, 10,000s place is left with 6 10,000s. Now subtract thousands place digits. They are 18 minus 9 is equals to 9. Write 9 in thousands place. Now subtract 10 thousands place digits. They are 6 and 3. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. Write 3 in the 10 thousands place. Children, now we will learn about some verbal problems. First one. A mobile phone factory manufactures 23,715 mobiles in November and 34,160 mobiles in December. Out of them, 42,534 mobiles were sold. Find how many mobiles are left unsold in the factory. How many mobiles manufactured in November? Mobiles manufactured in November is 23,715. How many mobiles manufactured in December? Mobiles manufactured in December is 34,160. Now we will find out the total number of mobiles manufactured. Now we will add 23,715 and 34,160. First we should add the digits in the units place. They are 5 and 0. 5 plus 0 equal to 5. So we will write 5 in units place. Next we should add the digits in the tens place. They are 1 and 6. 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. So we will write 7 in tens place. Next we should add the digits in the hundreds place. They are 7 and 1. 7 plus 1 equal to 8. We will write 8 in hundreds place. Next we should add the digits in thousands place. They are 3 and 4. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. So we will write 7 in thousands place. Next we should add the digits in 10,000 place. They are 2 and 3. 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. So we will write 5 in 10,000 place. The total number of mobiles manufactured is 57,875. Number of mobiles sold is 42,534. Now we will subtract 42,534 from 57,875. Now we should subtract the units place digits. They are 5 and 4. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. Write 1 in units place. Next we should subtract tens place digits. They are 7 and 3. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. Write 4 in tens place. Next we should subtract hundreds place digits. They are 8 and 5. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Write 3 in hundreds place. Next we should subtract thousands place digits. They are 7 and 2. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Write 5 in thousands place. Next we should subtract 10,000 place digits. They are 5 and 4. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. Write 1 in 10,000 place. Number of mobiles unsold is 15,341. Now we will solve the second problem. First we will read the question. Mrs. Anita has 50,000 rupees with her. She purchased a color TV for 13,538 rupees and refrigerator for 16,990 rupees. Find the amount left with her after the purchase. What is the cost of color TV? Cost of color TV is 13,538 rupees. What is the cost of refrigerator? Cost of refrigerator is 16,990. Now we should find out the total money spent on the purchase. Now we should add 13,538 plus 16,990. First we should write the numbers according to the place of each digit. First we should add the numbers in the units place. They are 8 and 0. 8 plus 0 equal to 8. Write 8 in units place. Next we should add digits in the tens place. They are 3 and 9. 3 plus 9 equal to 12. Write 2 in tens place and carry 1 to hundreds place. Now we should add the digits in the hundreds place. They are 1, 5, 9. 1 plus 5 plus 9 equal to 15. Write 5 in hundreds place and carry 1 to thousands place. Next we should add the digits in the thousands place. They are 1, 3, 6. 1 plus 3 plus 6 equal to 10. Write 0 in thousands place and carry 1 to 10,000s place. Next we should add the digits in the 10,000s place. They are 1, 1, 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 3. Write 3 in 10,000s place. Total money spent on the purchase is 30,528 rupees. Amount with her is 50,000 rupees. Total money spent on the purchases is 30,528 rupees. Now we will find out amount left with her after the purchases. Children, now we will subtract 30,528 from 50,000. First write the digits in the vertical column according to the place value of each digit. First we will subtract the digits in the units place. In the units place we have 0 and 8. 0 is less than 8. 8 cannot be subtracted from 0. So we will borrow from tens place. But tens place has 0 in it. So we will borrow from 100 place. But hundreds place has 0 in it. So we will borrow from thousands place. But thousands place has 0 in it. So we will borrow from 10,000s place. In 10,000s place we have 5. So we will borrow 1 10,000 from the 10,000 place to 1,000 place. 1 10,000 equals to 10,000s. Thousands place can be written as 10,000 plus 0,000 equal to 10,000. After borrowing 1 10,000 to 1,000 place, 10,000 place is left with 4 10,000s. In the thousands place we have 10. In hundreds place we have 0. We will borrow 1,000 from 1,000 place to 100 place. 1,000 equals to 10 hundreds. After borrowing 1,000, thousands place to hundreds place is left with 9,000s. In the hundreds place we have 10. In tens place we have 0. We will borrow 100 from 100 place to tens place. 100 equals to 10 tens. After borrowing 100 from 100 place to tens place, hundreds place left with 900s. In the tens place we have 10. In units place we have 0. We will borrow 110 from tens place to unit place. 110 equals to 10 units. After borrowing 110 from tens place to units place, tens place is left with 9 tens. Now we should subtract units place digits. They are 10 and 8. 10 minus 8 equals to 2. Write 2 in units place. Next we should subtract tens place digits. They are 9 and 2. 9 minus 2 equals to 7. Write 7 in tens place. Next we should subtract hundreds place digits. They are 9 and 5. 9 minus 5 equal to 4. Write 4 in hundreds place. Now we should subtract thousands place digits. They are 9 and 0. 9 minus 0 equal to write 9. Write 9 in thousands place. Next we should subtract 10,000 place digits. They are 4 and 3. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Write 1 in 10,000s place. Amount left with her after the purchase is 19,472 rupees. Do this homework, children.